Alright.
Let's move this a little bit while that's
Yeah. That's fine.
it goes spindle reverse.
Let's get a little jog. Looks and sounds good. Cute. Index a little bit.
Goes both ways.
Perfect. Okay, let's close this door and turn up the spindle a little.
Okay, so I can manually go up to almost 200. You're up to 200 now.
You know any higher manually?
Go back down. I have to stop it, and then I have to punch in a code. So.
Yeah, let's do that. Well, either get that going and do a little walk around.
You guys get to this page. It's 1500.
1500, barely tell what's wrong. Alright.
You know the max on this? I want to say 4,000, but I'm not sure. Let's go up to 3,000.
Yep. Alright.
3,000.
Sounds good, barely hear it. Alright, that should do it. Let me get a little shot of the control here.
Speeds right here. If you come down, it's 80%. Or we can go up 100%, 120. So it's only going to max out at 3.
Good deal.
Got the tailstock quill. Go back to center work. Get on the other side here. I'm just going to bring it out and bring it back, because if I keep it out, it's just going to keep coming out until it hits something. So.
Oh, okay, perfect. That'll work. Cool.
Okay.
Alright, go back away. We end up with a shot of the whole machine.